So here's another recitation with the moral of the story being about a nurse.
And it's more Mr. Belloc. Uh, there was a boy whose name was Jim, and his parents were very fond of him, and they gave him tea and cakes and jam and slices of delicious ham and chocolates with pink inside, and even bicycles to ride. And they took him to the zoo, where this terrible fate befell him, which I will now relate. You know, or you at least ought to know, that children are never allowed to leave their nurses in a crowd. But this was Jim's especial foible, and he ran away whenever he was able. And on this unauspicious day he hadn't gone a yard when bang! With open jaws a lion sprang and hungrily began to eat the boy, beginning at his feet. Now just imagine how it feels when first your toes, and then your heels, and then by gradual degrees your shins and ankles, calves and knees are slowly eaten bit by bit. No wonder he detested it. The honest the honest keeper heard his cry, and though very fat, he almost ran to help the little gentleman. But when he knelt over Jim, the keeper's eyes grew dim, for the lion, having reached his head, the miserable boy was dead.
It's terrible.
There's a bit which I'm fuzzy on, but the ending statement is, and never let go of nurse for fear of finding something worse.
So see, there's the moral to the story.
That's the moral of the
Never
story.
let go of nurse for fear of finding something worse. Alrighty then. And you have a favorite line in that one. Something about oible and foible.
Indeed.
Can you say it again?
He ran away whenever he was oible, and this was his particular foible.
Love it. Okay, so that's another recitation. Have at it, everybody, because it's our turn to carry on the tradition.